Hey class, this thing's delayed. Um, my essay was a descriptive essay, so this is an example of it I got online. It has it has like, let me see, one, two, three, four, five, six paragraph, but I think a descriptive essay could still be six paragraph, but usually it's usually five paragraphs. Okay. Uh, let's look at the first paragraph. First paragraph is the thesis. Like that means that's gonna be the whole. That's gonna be what the whole essay is about, as you can see right here. And if you don't know what a descriptive essay is, it's an essay. It's an explanation essay, like a explanation type of writing. They ask this like your professor or teacher could ask you to describe an event or an object on the essay. And if you see this sentence right here, I dragged my enormous suitcase behind me and followed the group. That's a very detailed sentence right there. And he or she used a very good word right here, which is enormous. It's a very good word. This is the last one. That's the conclusion. Essays always need a conclusion. That's gonna be the last. It has to be the last paragraph. You know, and that's it. And if you can see the second paragraph, that one is very detailed. Like that's what this very descriptive. I could not make any sense of any signs. Well, yeah, that one is very detailed. Where should I stay? Where should I take my luggage? I had no idea where the immigration line was. I began to panic. What time was it? What was my plane? I had to find help because I could not be late. That's a very detailed paragraph right there. And that's what makes it a descriptive essay. It's about when you're writing a descriptive essay, it's about like your experience, like your experience. And that's it. Bye. How do you stop this?